One of the things that I think would be helpful to wrap up on is going back to self-service and its offering. In terms of the impact that the teams that we have launched with have seen, what does that kind of look like operationally, and how does that actually impact their bottom line and how they're able to strategically come back to conversations around this scaling business growth, around budget?
Yeah, so obviously there's, at the top level, there's case reduction, right? So you can start to resolve a large number of cases, and there's meaningful cost savings that come from this, right? But by being able to change the case mix that is coming into the business, there's a lot of trickle-down effect that occurs. So obviously one of those is that cases can be resolved more effectively, right? The right information's there, the team can work on them, they can do so without having to escalate those cases. And so cases get resolved in a much more effective way. And this typically starts to dig people out of their backlog. It starts to allow them to see a different type of hiring path. And so I kind of see it in two steps where the first goal is most support organizations are underwater. So by providing intelligent self-service and by being able to provide the tools to get employees and support engineers to resolve cases effectively, you start to give the support organization this opportunity to become a strategic function and to think at a strategic level, because they're not worried about what are the escalations and the backlog that I've been dealing with. And so once that's realized, a lot of our customers start to turn their mind towards, well, what is in my cases that the rest of the business needs to know about? How should I be reflecting what we're doing in order to drive customer objectives? What should product be doing to improve the customer experience when a case is being submitted? And these types of insights, again, can come from the wealth of data that support's actually sitting on and allow for a next chapter in the improvement of support operations.